in the center of Meriden.
For the family.
We're gonna test it out. I'm going up to it. Just keep an eye on it. I'm gonna hold you because the brakes don't work that great. We're going up there.
With the rose right next to me. Chromed out mansion in paradise. In the sky.
Hey, I free the homies. If I could, I would. A bag full of lawyers. So you can tell the judge they should. Break down the case, cause it ain't happen like that. This is shit you gotta go through when you young and you black. You in the hood, cause your family, they ain't have it like that. With a gang full of bangers, they was having you back. Ayy, passing straps, bustin', passing them back. Ayy, was niggas really your friend, you had facts. Now you gone and your bitch ain't showing up. She let a nigga fucking your daughter, she growing up. This verse for my niggas locked up. Wish bunking with niggas, no pussy, stressed out, I feel it.
Oh, ain't no place I'd rather be. Did it all for the family.